In this tutorial, we're going to be discussing the different page elements that you can configure in the settings portion of your dashboard. To do this, we need to navigate to our dashboard, click on the Settings tab, and then click on Page Elements. The first option that you will see is Display drop-down menu. What that means is, in your navigation bar on your website, when someone hovers over a tab, a drop-down menu will appear. If you want to turn that off, just go to your account settings and select No. The next option is to display the shopping cart, and what that's going to affect is this button up here that shows people how many items they have in their shopping cart and what their current total is. We recommend keeping that button there. The next option is going to be to display recently viewed items. We've got a separate page for recently viewed items. At this point in time, we're going to keep that to turned off. We'll talk a little bit more about that option in a later tutorial. The next option is going to be to display the currency chooser. That is going to allow people from different countries to select a different currency during the purchasing process. It's a good idea to leave that enabled because it opens up that revenue stream of people from different countries, and it will increase the conversion rate of people purchasing from different countries. The next option is to display the search box. The search box is located up in the navigation area of your website, and you can either have that visible or not visible. Again, for SEO purposes and conversion rates, we recommend leaving that turned on. The next group of settings is the body functionality. The first one that you will see is display breadcrumbs, and your breadcrumbs are going to be located at the top of each product page, and it's an easy way for visitors to navigate around your website. It also adds some additional SEO benefits that again we'll talk about in the SEO tutorials later on. Next we have allow comments, allow voting, and allow sharing. Comments are comments on your products. You can enable them and allow people who have purchased that product to write a comment about it. Again, it's good for search engine optimization. Allowing voting, same principle. Individuals who have purchased the product can vote on a star-based rating of 1 through 5. Search engines do pick up this information, and it is also good for SEO purposes. And then finally, allowing sharing. We definitely recommend that. It allows people to share your products amongst their friends, family, and their network on different social networking sites. The final set of configurable options is the footer functionality, the first one being display create store link. We allow individuals to create a store through your store, and we give you a percentage of any sales that that individual makes who has created that store. Let's take a look at the create a store link in the footer if we have that turned on. If we have that feature turned on and we scroll down to the bottom page, you will see create your own online store. When individuals click on that link, they will go to a page that looks exactly like your website, and they will be able to create their own online apparel store. We're going to be doing an additional tutorial just on this subject, but it allows you to earn a percentage of anything that they sell for the life of their store. The final option is to display our phone number in the footer. What it looks like is down at the footer right here you will see a number. This enables people who have customer service issues they need handled to give us a call. Since we already included this information on our Contact Us page in a previous tutorial, for the time being we're going to go ahead and set both of these options to off. That's going to do it for this tutorial. The page elements are pretty straightforward on your website. In later tutorials, we're going to be taking a look at how to customize the CSS and HTML. They're a little more advanced topics, but you can include or exclude any of the footer links or any of the page elements that you see on your website. I want to thank you for taking the time to listen to this tutorial and look forward to seeing you at the next one.